Have you ever wondered about the timing of health screenings, especially after a potential concern? It is natural to want answers as quickly as possible. When it comes to human immunodeficiency virus, often referred to as HIV, the earliest you can detect the virus after exposure depends significantly on the type of test used. Generally, it takes about 10 days to several weeks for most tests to provide an accurate result. This time frame is known as the window period, which is the time between when someone is exposed to HIV and when a test can reliably detect the infection. The reason for this period is that HIV tests do not directly detect the virus itself in all cases. Instead, they often look for the body's immune response to the virus, like antibodies or specific viral components that take time to appear in detectable amounts. For instance, the Nucleic Acid Test, known as NAT, looks directly for the virus's genetic material. This is the earliest detection method and can typically identify HIV within 10 to 33 days after exposure. Next are the Antigen and Antibody Combination Tests, also called fourth-generation tests. These tests look for both HIV antibodies and a specific protein from the virus called P20 for antigen. These are highly effective and can usually detect HIV infection within 18 to 45 days after an exposure. Finally, antibody tests, which include many rapid tests and home tests, look only for antibodies that the body produces in response to HIV, since it takes longer for the body to produce these antibodies. These tests have a longer window period, typically from 23 to 90 days after exposure. Understanding these different window periods means you can choose the most appropriate test depending on when you think an exposure might have occurred. If you believe you had a recent exposure, within a few days or weeks, a nucleic acid test or an antigen and antibody combination test would provide the earliest and most accurate information. This knowledge empowers you to seek testing at the most effective time, ensuring you get the clearest picture of your health status when it matters most, allowing for prompt action and peace of mind.